What's going on, guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're doing an oil change on the E39 M5. Today we're actually using some Liqui Moly 10W60 oil in the M5 and also a MAN oil filter. So I will put a link in the description for all of that, and I will also put on the screen how much oil you do need. I bought a kit from FCP Euro. They have Liqui Moly, and actually historically I've done Castrol, which you can see back here. I have both cars, the M3 and the M5, running this stuff, which is really good. However, it's very expensive. I'll put a link in the description for everything that you guys need, including what specs on the wrenches and ratchets and stuff like that. So I always forget to put it in the video, so I will definitely put it in the description. So I'm gonna be putting Liqui Moly in the M5. Ideally, you want the car to be at least warm, ideally hot, so the oil's a little thinner, but the car is definitely at operating temperature, so we are going to do an oil change. Let's jump right into it. Ooh, that's good. Alright, so you'll want to grease with the new oil. I guess you could use the old oil. It's not a huge deal, I don't think, but I just stuck my finger in the new oil, and I'm just going to grease this, lubricate with the oil, put it on the new gasket. Pretty simple. All the way down here. Okay. Alright, so this kind of sounds weird, but I like to pour a little bit into the filter area just to kind of like flush out the rest of the old oil. I figure if we're doing this, we should do it right. Alright, put the new crush washer on the drain plug and then put it back in the car. Roughly 20 to 25 foot-pounds. Do not over tighten this, guys. It's imperative that you do not over tighten these. Thankfully, I've never done that, but I know guys who have, and big problems stripping this or over tightening or anything like that. You are much better off just doing like a quarter turn or 20 to 25 foot-pounds. Obviously, falling out is no good, but you don't want it too tight in there. So I'm gonna put this back in with the new crush washer and we'll be good to go. Alright guys, very last step is to tighten the oil filter housing, and I actually like to prime it. I like to put some oil in there, which I know is a little weird to some people, but I just feel like normally there's oil in there, so I like to put some in there. It's probably a big debate around like every car guy out there, but put that on, put the cap on, which I'm about to do in a second, and then you'll be good to go. Link in the description and probably on the screen as well for everything, the spec and how much oil to use. Obviously this car definitely needs to be warmed up before you're driving it, but it does have a normal dipstick, unlike the M3, so you can actually drive it around for a bit, pull the dipstick, and then check the oil. So that's gonna do it. Typical oil change video, nothing too crazy. Thank you again for watching. Hopefully this was helpful to you. I'll see you guys next time.